Imagine this, you're in the Arctic after a plane crash, the sun is setting, temperatures are plummeting, and you're alone with limited supplies. The vast, icy wilderness stretches out in every direction, and the biting cold seeps through your clothes. The snow crunches underfoot as you move, and the wind howls, making it hard to hear anything else. Your breath forms clouds in the frigid air. You have to think fast. How do you find shelter? What can you use for warmth? How do you signal for help? Every decision you make could mean the difference between life and death. In this unforgiving environment, survival is a test of both your physical and mental endurance. How do you keep yourself alive until help arrives? Surviving in such harsh conditions can seem overwhelming. Many people make critical mistakes in these situations. Here are the common pitfalls you should avoid. One of the biggest mistakes people make in cold weather survival situations is not prioritizing shelter. Without a proper shelter, you're exposed to the severe cold, which can lead to hypothermia in minutes. The importance of a well-constructed shelter cannot be overstated. It provides a barrier against the harsh elements, keeping you warm and safe. In extreme winter conditions, the temperature can drop rapidly, and wind chill can make it feel even colder. Building a shelter should be your first priority. It can be the difference between life and death. Always remember, staying dry and insulated is crucial for survival. Drinking snow without melting it first can lower your body temperature and increase your risk of hypothermia. Wandering around without a clear plan can exhaust you and increase the risk of getting lost. Thin or wet clothing can lead to rapid heat loss and frostbite. High sugar foods might give a quick boost but can lead to energy crashes. So there you have it. Practical steps to survive in the Arctic until help arrives. From understanding how to build a snow shelter to knowing the importance of staying dry, these tips are crucial. Avoid these common mistakes and you'll improve your chances of staying alive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Remember, preparation is key. Always have a survival kit ready and know how to use each item in it. The Arctic is not just a test of physical endurance but also mental strength. Keeping a positive mindset can make a significant difference. Stay calm, think clearly, and prioritize your tasks. Hydration and nutrition are vital, so make sure you know how to find and purify water and what food sources are available in the Arctic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Sharing knowledge can save lives. Discuss these tips with your friends and family and practice them whenever you can. Don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips and nature adventures.